Hello. So to calculate the unmarked sides, I took the longest length, which is 15, and then I subtracted all the horizontal lengths, which is um 2,95, 2,15, 4,8, 2,95, and I got the unmarked side to be 2,15. Finding the unmarked side of the model made it easier for me to create a visual representation of the model in a sense that it allowed me to create a net drawing of the figure, similar to this one. And I used the exact same measurement as the one we were given on the figure using a ruler to measure. And I created my net drawing. In a sense that if I were to fold this net drawing, then the same model would be reproduced, and that's how I created or built my model using a net drawing. To create a net drawing of the rectangular prism that we are given SFT, I first drew the rectangular prism using the same dimensions as the one that we are given, and then I opened up the shape into flat shapes, making sure that if I were to fold it back again, it would produce the same rectangular prism as the one that I have drawn. And then I used different colors to help me recognize the bottom, the sides, the top, and then to shrink the net drawing of this rectangular prism, I multiplied the dimensions that I've used here by 1/5, which gave me the dimensions that I have used on this net drawing. Triangular prism ABC. Find the total surface area of the model. I decided to divide my model into 6 different parts, which are east, west, front, back, top, and bottom. And then I found the areas of the different parts. And for areas that are similar, for instance, the east and the west, I only found the area of one side or one part and then multiplied it by 2 to make it easier. And then for areas that don't have similar parts, I calculated their areas individually. And then when I was done calculating the areas of each part, and then I added the areas of everything in the model, and that's how I found my total surface area. Calculate the volume in 2.3, I use the formula area of base times height, and because SFT is a rectangular prism, the area of base is given as length times breadth and then times the height. So I substituted the given values, which were 17 for length, 8 for breadth, and then 5 for the height. And then for rectangular prism ABC, I substituted the shrinked values, which were 3,4 for the length, 1,6 for the breadth, and then 1 centimeter for the height, and I got my dimensions or my values for volume.